Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to paint this beautiful climbing plant called Rangoon Creeper. It is a type of woody climbing plant with clusters of small flowers dangling down gracefully. It is the first time I saw it and I wanted to paint this with Chinese watercolor. So let's get started. I'll start with some small red flowers. The red is a shade of orange and red. Rangoon Creeper blooms white at onset and it gradually turns pink and then red as it matures. Each of the flowers has 5 petals. Rangoon Creeper is native to tropical Asia, and some said even India and Africa. The first time I saw it was on the roadside. Later on, I found that it is also grown in some parks here in Hong Kong. I have never seen any artist paint this type of flowers before, so I am improvising myself and paint it the way that I want, my style. If you're interested in seeing more of my painting and demonstrations, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. For now, I will fast forward this section because it's quite repetitive and I don't want you to get bored. Now I'm gonna add some stems for the flower clusters. They look like umbrella shapes, so they all kind of like started from the same area and dangling down to the flowers. For the tiny flower buds, I mixed some green first and then dip a bit of red on the tip of my brush so that I can get the red-green gradient in one brush and dot on the upward stems. These 2 clusters are on the foreground, and now I'm gonna add the main stem and touch up with some leaves and more flowers, which are meant to be on the background and on the side. adding a flying bird. The stems are yellow, so I will start with some yellow and then add a bit of orange to create a gradient. Instead of painting every single flower in this painting, I'm splashing some color to indicate the abundance of it. And I'll show you a close-up of this painting later. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.